What is up, people? As you might have seen from the title, this is my recently acquired RSX. This one is a 2003 and it's also a Type S. I was thinking the other day, this has to be one of the cheapest RSXs that I've seen. And I searched everywhere to see if I could possibly find another one the same price or cheaper. Now, the only criteria I used for this search was it had to be running and it had to be not a complete wreck. So I used Auto Tempest to try and track down another, and guess what? No results. Nothing. So it was official. That was all I needed for confirmation. I own the cheapest RSX Type S that was on the market for sale at this particular point in time. And don't tell me that your brother's stepdad sold him one for $500 and some bubble gum, cause I don't care. Okay? It wasn't on the market for sale and it didn't come up in my search. So that is fake news. Okay? Now let me give you the rundown on how I got it. I picked this car up a few months ago after searching everywhere, night and day, for a Type S. Finally, I found this one. It was advertised for $1,400, which is dirt cheap for a running Type S. I was a little apprehensive about going to see the car, mainly because I thought it would be a complete hunk of junk and a waste of my time. So I kept looking for another week. I didn't find anything that I really liked, so I decided, screw it. I'll go check this car out and see what it's all about. So I get there. The car was in the parking lot. An older gentleman was driving. And the first thing I noticed, each fender was completely rotted through at the bottom. I'm talking about completely gone. Like ghetto air dams were installed by rust. Like it was there for the aerodynamics of the vehicle. They were completely rotted out. So that there was a strike one for me. I was definitely looking for a nicer example, for the year, of course. The vehicle is 15 years old. But so I had to point all that out to the guy, and then we began to negotiate on the price. Now, pretty much before the negotiation, I told this guy this car is going to need body panels, tires, brakes. The window was off the track. The locks weren't working in the vehicle. So all these were small things that I could definitely take care of. But I let him know that these are things that are going to cost money just to get this car, usable in the first place. And pretty much he begged me to take this car. He immediately lowered the price to $1,000. And at $1,000, I couldn't lose. The motor was healthy. It's a K20A. And his son had abandoned the car at his house. It was his first car. He went away to college and he completely lost interest in it. He said he was actually buying a new car at that time. So as soon as he got the go from his son, that thing was up for sale. He wanted it gone like yesterday. And I was definitely more than happy to help. Okay, so now I said the cheapest. And it is for its condition, but it's not the nicest. And that is something that has to change. I'm not talking about show quality nice. I'm just talking about presentable nice. From like 20 feet nice. Like at nighttime even nice. Yeah. But all that kidding aside, I brought this car to be a project. And that's definitely what I got. So if you want to see all of what's to come, subscribe and I'll show you guys later. Peace.